You're watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Okay, guys. So, as you have heard all across social media, we're working on new merchandise. We just partnered with a new company. We thank you guys for coming to the channel. We ask that you check out our new designs. We've been working really hard with this company. We're really excited about them. We want you to partake in them. There'll be beanies for the holidays. There'll be new shirts already up there. We'll do a whole bunch of new products. So once again, even if you don't buy any merchandise, please at least subscribe to the channel. It always helps us. We got a team of people now, so any support we get, we thank you guys. All right, guys. So just want to let you know what's going on. The month of October, we're traveling back to California to visit some friends, and I might visit my old Jack on the Go friends and find out what they're up to. I've already called them. 2 out of 3 of them are available. So we're going to meet up. Maybe we'll film some pizza. Maybe we'll film some tacos. Maybe we'll film some burgers. Let me schedule everything. And then also I'll tell you what In-N-Out we're going to be at so we can do a meetup, all right? We're going to have a lot of fun going back to Cali. Where's that song? Can we get the song to play? Anyway. All right, today we're going to be doing some queso chicken rolls. So Jack's over here in the wings, waiting to eat up, so I gotta get cooking. By the way, we have a new family member. Her name is Zoe. Hey girl. She literally patrols the kitchen. She goes round and round. Let's run over the ingredients. Lime, Greek yogurt, enchilada sauce, cheese, cottage cheese, garlic, salt, low-carb tortillas, chicken breast underneath. We're using fajita seasoning on our chicken. Got some salsa and some pico de gallo. That's about it. I'll have the single recipe down below. Alright, first thing we're going to do is start cooking the chicken. Take a fork. You're going to tenderize the chicken by forking holes into it. Okay. Alright guys, got all our holes in our chicken. Go ahead and give it a good coating of seasoning. Your favorite, you can do taco seasoning. Do whatever you want. I'm doing Meat Church. It's their fajita seasoning and it's amazing. I wouldn't miss the opportunity of using this stuff. Do both sides, cook it up. So let's pour the red enchilada sauce in there. Get that poured in. Grab some of our cottage cheese. You know, I hate cottage cheese, honestly. But when it's mixed in with stuff, you can't taste it. You really can't tell. Then we're going to take some of this Greek yogurt, get that in there.
If you take it and squeeze it, your hair all flop out.
Then we're going to take a little bit of garlic. Drop that in there. A little bit more. Awesome, perfect. Move that over. Bring in the salt. A little bit of salt. That's good. Close it up. And then we're going to blend this up. Alright guys, we're going to pulse it up. We finished cooking the chicken. Grab yourself a cutting board, chop it into small pieces. Then we're going to dump it into what we blended, which is right here. So I'm going to let Tammy take care of that. So don't cut all my fingers off. And show them the inside how beautiful that cooked. Look at that. Perfectly white. Alright guys, take all the pieces. Throw them in your sauce. All the chickens on the sauce. Take some pico de gallo. Sprinkle that in. You use how much you like. But once again, I got a recipe down below. Throw a little cheese in. Then we're gonna mix it all up. Don't forget the lime as you're mixing. A little bit of lime juice. Alright, all you gotta do is just grab a little heaping spoonful, pack them up. Then you're gonna roll them up and then drop them in the pan. So we got a little bit of salsa to dip in. We're gonna let these cool off a little bit. We turn the broiler on so we can brown the tops a little bit, but they're perfect. They're beautiful. They're full. Let's taste them and see if they're any good. All right, gonna dip this baby in salsa. Oh, it's a little hot. I need that.